Hello friends, welcome to Doodle Buddies with Nosh. We're going to make a very easy and simple fabric pumpkin today. So if you're like me and you don't have much experience in sewing, this will be perfect for you as well. We're going to cut a large circular shape from this fabric, the brown fabric. The circle does not have to be perfect. We're now going to sew the edge of the fabric in the circular manner, exactly the edge. And towards the end, once we've sewn everywhere around it, we'll be pulling it so that it kind of, you'll see what I mean. So this is how I'll be pulling it, and this is how it looks once the thread has been pulled on the edge. So you have sort of a pocket or a space in between. And now I'll be placing some of the ribbed cotton or the filling for the pillow in there. Once I've done that and filled in quite a bit of it, that's when I'm going to pull it even further, and then I'll tie the knot. But I'm going to leave a little bit of a space in the center for the stem so that I can insert the stem later on. Now once I tie the knot, I will be maneuvering, or rather adjusting the stuffing so that it turns around to look like a circle, pumpkin shaped. Not exactly a circle, but a pumpkin shape. There. You know, although initially I had decided to tie it this way so that, you know, it would look like the veins of the pumpkin, but eventually I decided against it. I didn't put, I just removed the jute twine from there, just removed it, and I think it looked better without it. I've glued the Dollar Tree leaves here, and now I'm tying some jute twine. And with that, our fabric pumpkin is ready. I hope you like it. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for visiting me. Have a nice day.